Hi lovelies, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Akurede Adenike. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. And I want to say a very big thank you to you, my old subscribers. Thank you for coming back to my channel always. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew this beautiful short pant. Let's move into it. Here is the pattern I'm using for my short pant today. I have a video on how to draft it. I'm going to put the link in the box below. And this is the fabric I'm using for the short pant I'm making today. I have 1 yard of fabric here. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful fabric. I put it aside. So this is the front part. Here's the band. The front part, I'm cutting 2 pieces of it. Likewise, the back part, I'm cutting 2 pieces as well. The band, I'm cutting it on fold, so let me quickly cut it out. I've finished cutting out my fabric. Here's the band. I cut it on fold and I've ironed it. So I folded 1/2 inch on both sides for my seam allowance, as you can see. So here is my front part. I cut 2 pieces of it. Let me remove the pin and put my pattern paper aside. So I let the right side face each other before cutting it. There's the band, put it aside. Then this is the back part of it. Remove the pin and the paper. Here's it. I let the right side face each other. Now let's join it together. This is the back part, the band, the front part of it. I'm going to take it one by one like this and place it on each other. Let the right side face each other like this. So I'll now stitch it with 1/2 inch from the waist down to the hem line. Do the same thing on the second part of the leg of the pant. Stitch with 1/2 inch from the waist. Now I've joined it with 1/2 inch on this side from the waist down to the hem line. I did the same thing on the second leg of it. So I'll now go ahead and pull this one to meet this. Let it align on each other very well and stitch with 1/2 inch. I'm going to do the same thing on the second leg. Pull it a little bit to meet this place and stitch with 1/2 inch as well. When I finish with that, I'll let you see the remaining one. Now I'm done with both sides of the 2 legs. So I'll now go ahead and turn one of it to the right side. Put it inside the second one like this for me to finish up with the crotch area. Just let it align on each other very well. Let this center meet each other very well, the sewing side. So we'll now stitch with 1/2 inch all through. Just let it align on each other very well like this. Now stitch it from here all through till I reach here with 1/2 inch. Now I'm done with the crotch area, as you can see. So I'll now go ahead and pull it out like this. Let you see how it looks like. So assuming you want to add zipper to your own, I have a video on how to make female pants, which I added zipper to it. So you'll be able to know how to add zipper to your own pant. I'm going to put the link in the box below for you to understand. So watch it and you will understand. Sure of that. This is the right side of the pant I'm making. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So I'll now go ahead and hem the bottom of my pant. Use the 2 inches I added for the hem line. I'm going to fold half like this and fold again with the remaining 1 1/2. That'll make it 2. I'll now stitch it around like this on it. Make sure you be careful while doing that. So I'm going to stitch it around. Do the same thing on the second leg of it. I'm done with the hem line. As you can see, it's very neat and beautiful. So I'll now go ahead and join my elastic band to it. This is the 1 inch elastic that I'm using for it. and this is the band that I'm going to join to the pant before inserting my elastic. So I'll first of all join the band together here. Here is it. Let me show it to you very well. I'm going to let the right side face each other like this and stitch it with 1/2 inch, just like this. I've joined the two edges of my band together. I'll now join it to the main pant. So I'm starting my joining from the back. I'll let the right side of the band face the right side of the pant. So just place it on it like this and stitch it all around with 1/2 inch. Place it on it like this and stitch it all around with 1/2 inch. Now I've finished joining one side of the band to the main pant. So I'll now go ahead and fold it like this to complete my stitching of the band to the main pant. Just fold it like this. You know, I've already folded 1/2 inch for seam allowance before joining it to the main pant. I'll now go ahead and stitch on it like this all around to finish it up. Now I'm done with the band. I finish it up. So I left 2 inches here for me to insert my elastic. So I'll now go ahead and use safety pin for my elastic for me to be easily putting it inside the band. I've put the elastic inside the band, as you can see. So I remove the pin and place it like this, or I can place it like this and stitch on it just like this. And as for this, stitch on it like this. I've stitched it, as you can see, the elastic, I've stitched it. I'll now go ahead and adjust it till I achieve my hem. So adjust it very well. Lest I forget, to calculate the amount of elastic you need for your waistband, you have to use the circumference of your waistband minus 8 inches. That is the formula for getting the amount of elastic you need for your waistband. Mine is 34 inches minus 8 inches, that will give me 26 inches. Plus 1 inch seam allowance, that is 27 inches. So I used 27 inches long for these pants that I'm making now. So, and always make sure you trim off the excess thread and excess fabric to make your job neat. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do now to support my channel. And I'm going to close up where I left open for my elastic. Now here is the outcome of it. I've ironed it. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful on me. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do to support my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.